In this video, I'll show how to use our Meetings Tracker template to display a summary of meeting durations for a chosen time period, and how to link an Excel sheet with Outlook Calendar to track events automatically. We'll start in the meeting sheet, and I'll add a demo meeting in February, which is the month that this template is currently tracking. As you can see, the duration for this meeting is calculated automatically. And in our summary sheet, the totals have been updated to show this new meeting. Let's add another event. Again, we now see the duration for this meeting. And the summary sheet shows the total duration of these two events, depending on the criteria that I've specified in this sheet. This template can be used to track events you manage manually, in which case you can hide the update and delete columns used by Excelendar to sync with Outlook Calendar. I'll now delete these demo meetings to show how you can use this template with Excelendar. When you open our templates for the first time, you'll be asked to link a calendar in the main Excelendar task pane. Choose a calendar, select a date range, and click Link Calendar. You can now either export events that are already in your sheet or import a calendar from Outlook. A specific date range works best for this, since repeat events are expanded to show every occurrence. Now you can see that all my Outlook events from February have been imported to the sheet, and the durations have been calculated automatically. In the summary sheet, I can now see the total number of events that match the specified criteria and the total duration for these events. Let's update the end time for an event. Once again, the summary page is updated to reflect this change. I'll do that again. And the summary immediately updates again. Now you'll see the real power of Excelendar. I can export these updates to Outlook Calendar with a single click. I'm only making small edits here, but you can, of course, edit all the event details and add new events if you want. And this works in both directions. Let's click the link to open the event in Outlook. And I'll edit the time in the calendar instead. Let's save the event and go back to our spreadsheet. The event duration hasn't been updated because we haven't yet imported the change from our calendar. So let's click Import Changes. Now we see the new duration for this meeting. And, of course, our summary has been updated too. Automatic time tracking for Outlook has never been easier, thanks to Excelendar.